really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In this city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
We're in Chongqing, Luzu Temple Traditional District. This is kind of curious and interesting because there's all these kind of cool architecture right in here, and I'm gonna walk in the middle of it. I walked around in the middle of the other day, and it was kind of interesting. And then this is just the other typical Chongqing stuff, which is equally interesting, but it's not what we're going to be looking at right now, which is this Luzu Temple Traditional District in particular. So let's check that all out. Let's see. Chongqing, this is video number 36 of 39. Whoa, we almost finished with our set. So I have lots of past videos. You can see those on my channel. This one is Luzu Temple Traditional District. So that's what this is all about. You can see that up on the map. And let's just show you the music as well. That's AI generated music with my own lyrics that I wrote. And let's just get right into the walk and talk. All right, Chongqing, Luzu Temple Traditional District. So let me just kind of see. So we do have some different architecture, and we're gonna walk right inside. Not inside of that, but we're gonna see what it looks like. It looks kind of cool already, right? Check that out. Like it has these beautiful balconies. And you can see it up there too. But there is kind of this brick. So the architectural style is kind of interesting. I'm not exactly sure how it all works. I mean, I don't know the history of it, but we're gonna walk down into this. We got some more cool brown brick buildings over here. We're gonna go left at this space, and then that's kind of interesting. I was walking around in there the other day. My first day here, I had a place to stay down this stairway a little bit. So we're gonna go down that again. The lights are just coming on. So let me see. So that's some of that architecture there. And it does feel like the architecture down here is different as well. So we're gonna see what it's all about. Some kind of interesting stuff right there already. It smells really good. So we are going to be going in. Looks like pigs. Different parts of the So we're gonna go into this little marketplace, and we're also gonna see that Luzu, which I think is part of that right there. So we're gonna go all the way down and check it all out. So yeah, the first day I was in this area, and it's kind of a marketplace. I got some peppers there. And I think the architecture down here is kind of interesting. So I don't know if the Luzu style is like some of that down there looks kind of similar. So I'm not really sure. Oh, there's some actual duck. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. That scared me. So we're gonna keep on walking down and kind of show you what else we can see around here. Here's all the spicy stuff as well. Spicy Sichuan style. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Oh, he wants to see the camera? He's saying something, but then he turned around, so I was gonna show him the camera. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down this kind of marketplace area. Let me do a 360 real quick before we go all the way down. But I think some of that architecture is similar down there than when we started, which was up that way a little bit. Okay. So we got more hot, spicy Sichuan. I really want to eat. It's pretty. That looks really tasty up there too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, and yeah, we're still in this area. So this is actually called Luzu Mao. So I think Mao is like the ethnic groups, one of the minority ethnic groups. Right there. And we got kind of a marketplace in here. Yeah, actually last time I was walking by here, there was also a lot of people yelling as well. We're gonna catch what that's all about as well. Got a coffee shop. So yeah, yesterday they were yelling in here, and then it was kind of funny because as they were yelling, a lady yelled back, and then everybody kind of laughed. Let's kind of see what they're getting here. Okay. That was the one I was watching where people were. Oh, hello. Hi. There's a lot of really good people in Chongqing. So yeah, actually this one, I'm gonna go down that way, but I'm also gonna go down this way as well. So there's two different directions. Actually, that looks kind of interesting as well. We got a nice coffee shop there as well. So I kind of want to go down that way, and then we're gonna come back and go this way. So that's gonna be our plan. So we'll do that. I think it's all part of the same. It's all kind of pedestrian street. And so the ending would go just down that way, and I can see some of that. I guess that Mizu, I thought that was the architectural style, but that might be something else related. Hello. People are pretty friendly. Okay, so what we're gonna do is navigate this direction, and we're gonna go towards this way. The lights are just about perfect, so I can't argue with that. And we're gonna go down these steps in a moment. There's kind of some nice lighting though. Chongqing is such a cool city. That guy's gonna go behind me and look at the camera, which I've been experiencing that a lot in Chongqing. There's people who want to see what the images of the camera. I think he's gonna jump. So that's how part of this, they call that Mizu Mao, something like that. And you see lots of tables that you can eat food at. This is like a hot dog one with like Sichuan sauce. I don't really like hot dogs at all, but that almost looks kind of interesting. And then you got this big giant hot pot restaurant right there. Pretty full. And vegetables over on the other side. I'm just gonna keep on meandering down. It's kind of cool. So they're checking this out because he really likes that a lot. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Chongqing, we're filled with cool stuff everywhere. I love how there's layers, you know, so you got like a second story and a first story. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Luzu Miao, Luzu Miao. Pretty cool. They got a little marketplace in that down in there. And up there, vegetables up there, vegetables down there. Got a temple right here. Temple looks beautiful. Got a plastic flower over there. Now we're going to be walking right into okay. That's a pretty cool motorcycle right there. The QJ motorbike. Keep on walking on down. Pretty cool. We're at 11 minutes, so actually I think this is about ready to conclude for this video.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.